If you're looking for the most up-to-date Helium 10 coupon codes, you're in the right place. As an exclusive Helium 10 affiliate, I get first access to their best discount codes, sales, and promo offers. I post daily Helium 10 coupon code updates, so be sure to watch the most recent video on this channel to get the biggest discount possible. As of June 4th, 2024, there are 2 Helium 10 coupon codes available. The first code is Kristen20. This code will give you 20% off any Helium 10 plan for the first 6 months. This is a great option if you want to do Amazon product research or find keywords for your Amazon ad campaigns. The second code is Kristen10. This code gives you 10% off any Helium 10 plan forever, or as long as you remain a subscriber. These are Helium 10's best offers as of June 4th, 2024. I always post the best Helium 10 coupon codes daily, so be sure to subscribe and check back often, as Helium 10 tends to run flash sales throughout the year, giving you access to even bigger discounts. Redeeming your Helium 10 coupon code is easy. Just navigate to the Helium 10 pricing page and enter the code that works best for your needs. Choose either Kristen20 for 20% off 6 months or Kristen10 for 10% off any Helium 10 plan forever. Then click Redeem and you'll see that the discount has been applied to the monthly subscription price. I've also included a link in the description of this video that will take you to this page where you can make your discount selection if you don't want to manually enter the Helium 10 coupon code. Remember to check back daily for the best possible Helium 10 coupon codes and share this channel with anyone you know who is looking to grow their e-commerce business.